How to delete Discord account on mobile. If you want to delete your Discord account on mobile, the process is pretty much very easy. You want to simply go ahead and launch the Discord app and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon over there, what you want to do is to simply tap on the gear icon located at the top right hand side, which will take you to settings. Now from there, you have to just look for the option called account. And once you go to the account button, you will see this type of interface. Scroll down all the way to the bottom under account management. You'll find one of the option in a red text highlighted as delete account. So tap on the delete account button. And by the way, before you delete your account, you must transfer the ownership of your Discord server to someone else if you are the owner of some kind of server. And only then you'll be able to delete your account. And this way you'll be able to delete your Discord account on mobile. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in the next video.